Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a curved arrow in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then you want to draw a curved arrow, go to the insert menu. We can see here many options. Now I am select the shape drop down menu and go to the block arrows section. Then we can see here many arrow. Now I am select the curve arrow. You can add the curve arrow left, right or down, up. Now I am select the down. Then draw the arrow to this sheet. We can see here the curve arrow. You can change the color of this arrow. Select the arrow and go to the shape format menu. Select the shape fill. We can see here many color. You can change the color. You can add outline or change the color of outline. Otherwise remove the outline color. You can add the shadow effect. Go to the shape effect option and choose shadow. Now we can see we draw a curved arrow in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.